Hello everyone. Now, I've just finished a full lecture series on dynamical systems, but that is not a complete picture of the subject. So the goal of this lecture series is to complement and extend what we've already talked about. This is going to be more of a topics discussion for all of the different and interesting components in the dynamical systems universe that we've left on the floor. That means that in the videos that are going to come, they're going to be less tied together thematically and can be viewed sort of independently out of order. But I'm going to address important topics like reversibility and singular perturbation methods, averaging, quasiperiodicity, and anything else that I think is interesting enough that I want to share it with you. So, in my opinion, the best way to engage with this lecture series is to first complete the previous one on dynamical systems. And then you will have the necessary skills and the tools and the background in order to engage with this lecture series and all of the videos that go with it. So this should really be treated as bonus content for those that are particularly interested in dynamical systems. So I hope to see you along the way, and I hope that you enjoy this next lecture series.